fucking things. Oh, hi, I'm Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. And I'm making a silly video now about these laptops. Just because I was interested in looking at them, and I don't think anyone ever wants to buy them anymore. They're £1 million each, and you need a tractor trailer in order to haul one of them. So that's probably why they're sitting on that shelf way over there, just waiting for the warranty to disappear so they can be recycled and made into smaller computers that people can shove up their nose and easily transport. So look at these. So the reason these were ever purchased and ever used is the fact that people wanted bigger screens. And when I say screens, I mean screens. And then once they found out that, holy shit, these things are heavy and big and cumbersome, no one wanted them. They wanted the little bitty computers with little screens where they could put their little backpacks and go on to work and go home and play and not be burdened and, you know, not get a hernia or pull out their back. So let's just go through. I got 3 of these monsters. Let's go. Let's do the let's do the small one first. And this is even got labels because I'm not good. This is a Dell Precision 3530. Again, this is not about functionality. All these computers work fine. They do what they're supposed to. They're all Windows 10, 16 gig RAM, all of them. And they all work fine. It's just they're freaking huge. And this warranty is done in 2023. And this is the smallest screen. Check that out. It's freaking huge. They're all good. I mean, if you want to go out and buy one, if you're going on eBay and want to purchase one, for inexpensively, I mean, they're great and they make for great desktops. You just put it over time. I mean, they're thin, right? You remember the old, when the freaking laptops first came out? Holy crap. They were huge. But yeah, these would make great desktops. But as far as transporting them around, no one wants this stuff anymore, especially with, right, smartphones and the invention of smartphones that just came around, that have been around a long time. So anyways, this is the smaller of the two. This is the Dell Precision 3530. So it's heavy, it's cumbersome, it's fine, it works perfect. Keyboard is huge, so for fat hands, fat fingers, that's great. It's perfect. And like I said, you just put that away, put it under a desk or something. It worked perfect for some type of alternative to a desktop with a docking station, of course. Okay, and it's got let's see, got USB here. God, remember that thing? VGA. Yeah, it's got 2 USBs and like an old card slot. I'm not sure what that is. Like a big SD, or I think it is an SD. It is an SD. For old camera. I don't even know if people buy cameras with SD cards anymore. I don't think so. All right, and then there's the 2 bigger brothers of the little sister, of the middle sister, or the little sister, or whatever I'm trying to say. This one is a Dell Precision 7720, and check this bad boy out. I'm a big guy. It's huge, and look what it is compared to this. I can barely lift the thing with one arm. I shit you not. I'm a pretty strong guy. So that's pretty funny. You can see the difference there. Oh! So again, huge, cumbersome. Who the hell's going to carry this around? You'd have to rent a U-Haul in order to get it from one place to the other. You can see it's never been used. That's still in there. It's nice and clean and pristine. It's got a huge-ass keyboard. It is a behemoth. It is a monster. It is from the Jurassic computer era. And it's a nice computer. Again, it's not something anyone's going to freaking haul around or anything. All right, so this is the Dell Precision 7720. And it's a good computer. It works fine. And again, just if worse comes to worse, you find one inexpensive someplace at a rummage sale. Do they sell laptops at rummage sales now? I don't know. I haven't been on a rummage sale in years. Garage sales? Do they sell this shit at garage sales? Probably. If you see one, if it's functioning, pick it up. If you want your electric bill to be $3,000 every month, pick it up. No, I'm just kidding. It doesn't draw that much power. Obviously, the bigger they are, the more power it's going to draw. I'm not sure how much it draws, but I can't imagine too much. All right, and this is like its bigger brother. This is the HP ZBook. This was a Dell. This is kind of like a competition same size kind of deal. HP ZBook 17 GS3 laptop. That's a hell of a long name. So that's the behemoth there. It's pretty much the same size as the last one we went over. You need a crane to open up the thing, and the screen is huge. I'm not sure. I think that can't be 17 inch. I'm guessing 17. I'm not really sure. It's got a huge screen, so it's really awesome. And yeah, it's nice. Huge keyboard for huge hands. It's got 3 buttons for the mouse. On the bottom, on the top. Probably a little excessive for all those buttons, but they're there. And yeah, it's a nice unit. It works just as good as the Dell. Ain't much difference. They all work fine. It can be a Dell, and HP is not going to sell an inferior product internally, function-wise. As far as design, that's a different story. But as far as function, they all work great. So, all right. I just wanted to make a video and show you these 3. And I don't know. I feel goofy. I had a lot of coffee. If you want to go down memory lane, or if you're looking to get an older computer, a bigger computer, maybe you're 9'10" and your hands are bigger than mine, and need something with substance. All right, gals and guys, if you've got a kick out of this, if it even helped you, certainly subscribe, like. That would be awesome. You can share with Nerdy if you think other nerdy nerds would think this is funny, then share or helpful. And hit the bell there. I guess if you hit that bell, you get my updates, where my other videos might be a little more informative than this one. All right, gals and guys, I appreciate you as always, and I'm going to leave probably with a couple older commercials from these Dells, just to make this 10 minutes so I can monetize my video, because that's who I am. And, all right, I'll catch you later. I appreciate you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop. Boom, boom, boom. Call my baby lollipop, tell you why. Her kiss is sweeter than a cherry pie. And when she does a shaky rock and dance, man, I haven't got a chance.
Treat yourself to a Dell Inspiron laptop with intelligent Intel processors. Dell, yours is here.
A small business is almost never too small for a personal computer, especially one that puts popular software at your fingertip, like the Hewlett-Packard touchscreen personal computer. A touch of the screen lets you keep track of customers, walk through your ledger, see that inventory is the right size, and write letters to boot. With Hewlett-Packard, making your way to the top needn't be such a difficult feat. See the touchscreen personal computer at your nearest Hewlett-Packard dealer.
I'm a student, and I do a lot of research on the web. So what I wanted, what I really had to have, was a powerful desktop computer. Then someone told me about Dell. I got on the internet. Dell built a desktop just for me. This direct way actually costs less. Okay, so I don't always use it for research.
Order a Dell Dimension desktop during the Dell School Sensation Sweepstakes, and you could win 2 new computers over the next 4 years, plus $10,000 for tuition. This Dimension desktop comes with an Intel Celeron processor at 400 megahertz, everything you see here, plus DellNet Internet access for 1 year and Dell's 24-hour tech support, all for only $959. Visit our website by September 25th and order your Dell Dimension with Intel Celeron processor, and you'll be entered into our sweepstakes. There's one winner every day for 42 days.
That's cool.
Be direct. Dell.